Hi, are you a service owner or looking to start your service agency? So the first thing you should look for building a landing page that converts, that sets you appointments for the customers, that gives you more customers, that gives you more authority, more visibility in the market. So this video is all about 5 things you should consider by building your landing page for your service. So the first and the most important thing here is your landing page website. What elements you should not miss out? One thing is your headline. You should have a amazing headline which attract the customer, and that should be result driven because people want results. And the second thing here is testimonials. When people see that others are talking about you, what results you have generated for others, so they would trust you more, they would come to you, right? And the third thing is, try not to, on the complete landing page, try not to focus on what are your services. Rather than that, your services, focus what results you can give to your customer, how you can help them generate revenue, how you can automate their business, how you can integrate few other things, so that would give freedom to them. Why they will choose your service? Because they want results. They don't want to know about your services. They care about results, right? Now this was the first thing, complete first thing. Now the second thing is, you have to generate leads, because people don't make buying decision then and there if they come to your landing page, but they could give you their details. How? So you can give them a free lead magnet, which is nothing but a free report or free PDF related to your niche, related to your service. Yes. And the third thing is also a free lead magnet, but this is more powerful than free report or something like that. It is nothing but a case study of how you have helped other customers or other brands level up their business, build revenue, or an automated webinar to make them understand your business, how you can help them and everything. So this is a very powerful lead magnet, a case study. Now comes the fourth and the most important thing, which is nothing but call to action. Like setting, you should give them the direction so that they should set an appointment with you. You should integrate tools like Calendly and everything, so that they should set an appointment with you. They should do a free 30-minute call with you. You should explain them about your services, know them about their problem, their requirement, and close them on one-to-one call. Now the fifth most important thing is long-term nurturing series, like email sequence. Once they give you their data, you get a lead, but then it's still they might take 1 month to make the buying decision or take your services, right? So you should be in their head for complete 1 month or 2 months or maybe even 3 months. You should create a long-term email nurturing series where you can show them case studies, reports, or how you are helping other businesses, testimonials, industry facts, and everything. And once they see that, they, even if they don't want to take the services or they might have delayed the plan, they can come to you within a month if you create a long-term email nurturing series. So keep these 5 things in mind, and this would give you more leads, increase your conversion, grow your business. So do it right now. And if you like this video, just if you love this video, just like and comment and subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you more value bombs in the future. Just do it. Thank you.